Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, the founder of Online Pilates Classes.com. I've been teaching Pilates since 2008. My journey in teaching led me to learn from one of Joseph Pilates' clients, and that led me to teaching teachers and people Pilates around the world. In fact, I've taught hundreds of teachers, thousands of people, and I'm so excited to talk about how we can do Pilates together.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So we started OnlinePilatesClasses.com because, well, the truth is, my husband Brad said I needed to. I was traveling so much and leaving my clients in Los Angeles without a Pilates teacher, teaching people around the world, but then leaving them without me. And so he suggested we start a platform. But I wanted to make sure that we started a platform that would solve people's actual problems. Those being accountability, making sure you actually showed up to use the classes that you got. And also the community. I know that the community is so important. And so when we founded OnlinePilatesClasses.com, those two values had to be built into it. At OPC, we actually have workouts available for whatever piece of equipment you have access to. So most people have access to a mat, meaning you can lay on the floor and do the mat work everywhere. But some people have access to a reformer, Wunda Chair, tower, Cadillac, and I wanted to provide workouts for those as well. No matter what your level is, we actually can meet you where you are and take you on a journey in your own Pilates practice on all pieces of equipment. But also, I understand that not everyone is ready to commit to an online membership. And so if you're wanting to learn more about Pilates, if you're wanting to nerd out, we actually do have flashcards at OPC that teach you all the different exercises that are available on the mat, the tower, Wunda Chair, and more. Here's what's also so important that you have to know at OPC. We actually just want you to show up and be who you are. So you come at the level you are, and as long as you logged in and pressed play, first of all, that's a win. Any amount of minutes you're able to complete in the class is important and amazing. We actually believe that finishing is optional. So we don't want you to put any pressure on yourself that you have to have 30 minutes, you have to have 50 minutes. Any amount of minutes is what is the most important thing at OPC, and also what our community loves to celebrate with you. At OnlinePilatesClasses.com, we can get you all the amazing benefits that come with Pilates. So hello, good posture, strength, flexibility, reduced back pain, menstrual pain, and also an increased awareness around how your brain works with your body. All those things and more come with your OPC membership because we help hold you accountable. Because we take the classes away each week and each month, we actually help you show up for you and allow you to take class over and over again so that you can compare yourself to yourself, and also no decision fatigue, because when you log in, you only see the classes you have access to for that week, and you don't have to go, which class do I want to take right now? Log in, press play, and get your move on. So at OPC, we believe that Pilates is movement for life. In fact, we love to help people fall better. Meaning, if you're gonna fall, we want you to catch yourself and recover quickly. In fact, I've had a client who's in her 80s, and when I made her do this one move that you'll see in the mat classes, and she's like, why are we doing this? And I was like, because it's gonna make you fall better. And sure enough, that day, she missed a step. And she actually did the exercise in the air without thinking about it, caught her balance, and kept on walking. So that's what we're here to help you do at OPC. Now, take a quick second and make sure you're subscribed to this channel and you turn on the notifications, because not only do you get lots of how-to videos from us and a live YouTube video from us each week, but also we have full-length workouts I don't want you to miss. So here's how OPC works. You actually pick the membership based on the equipment you have access to. So there's 3 memberships to choose from: mat only, reformer and mat, or the full studio membership, which has the mat, reformer, Wunda Chair, tower, Cadillac. When you choose your membership, you can either pay monthly or you can choose the annual option, and that's where you get some bonuses. All members are invited to our members-only community, where you get accountability from each other and amazing support and celebration. Plus, you can submit videos of yourself taking exercises, and OPC teachers will provide feedback for you. Then, because we take classes away every single Tuesday and replace them with new classes, you get amazing accountability because you're gonna show up to take that class before it disappears. Every month, all of our members are invited to the monthly filming of the mat class live. So you join us for the class, and afterwards we hang out, we celebrate, we actually can answer questions, get to know each other more, and it's amazing, and I can't wait to meet you there. And just a reminder, if you're not ready for OnlinePilatesClasses.com memberships yet, you can go into the description below and get our flashcards and take your Pilates practice with you wherever you go. At OPC, we are so confident you will love your membership that we have a money-back guarantee. You can get the specifics of that on our website, and then when you come in and meet the community, you'll see why we're so confident. The community part of OPC is my favorite thing. In fact, it is one of the biggest things I fought for when we were creating this platform for you, because I know that when you've got a lot going on, sometimes the last thing you do is take care of yourself. But when you have community, when you have people who are like, hey, where have you been? What's going on? You show up. You don't miss out because you want to be part of what everyone else is doing. And so not only is our community group where you can actually check in and tell people how class went for you that week, you can also join us for those monthly live classes and meet people in real time. I can answer your questions, and don't forget, I can actually give you feedback on your form and make sure you're getting all the connections, not just to your practice, but to each other. And by the way, make sure you're subscribed to this channel because I do a YouTube live every single Sunday at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So look, if you think this kind of accountability and community are exactly what you're looking for, go into the show notes, click on the link and use promo code YouTube, or go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube. Also, comment below. I want to hear from you. I love hearing your questions. I love hearing your takeaways. Put those below and let me know what kinds of classes you're looking for. We do have full-length workouts on this channel on the mat, reformer, the tower Cadillac, and the Wunda Chair, but we want to know what you want. We've been creating how-to videos for YouTube for years, and we're going to stick with those and add some classes. Plus, make sure you hear all the myths, all the benefits, and all the philosophies that come along with Pilates. And you'll also see in those notes a link to Spotify music that I've put together that is perfect to go along with these workouts we've created. And don't forget that amazing intro offer because I want to meet you at OPC. Just in case you're like me, we actually have OPC available in an app. So you can join us on your computer or in an app and tablet and take us wherever you want to go. Thank you so much, and I'm excited to meet you.